Hey guys, it's Steph, the Midwest Cowgirl, and today we're gonna learn how to cinch up your saddle. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. We have my sweet girl Stella here today as my perfect little model. Today we're gonna go over how to properly cinch up your saddle. So why is cinching up your saddle so important? And why is it important to properly do it? There are actually a couple of reasons that if you don't cinch your saddle tight enough, that your saddle can actually go underneath your horse, and I've seen it personally on somebody, and it can become incredibly dangerous for you and your horse if your saddle is not tightened enough. And if it's also not tight enough, it can actually create sores for your horse from the friction of your girth rubbing. It might sound counterintuitive to have it tight to not create any friction, but when it's not tightened all the way, it creates a little bit of movement in your girth, and that's what will create the rubbing in your horse and create discomfort for them. And I'm not saying have it crazy tight, because then you're actually over tightening it. You wanna be able to just get a couple of fingers in there. Like right now I don't have it super tight, but we'll go over that once we start working at the girth. Okay, so let's get into it. First, you're gonna put your stirrup up on your horn. Make sure it's secure so it doesn't fall and hit you in the face, because I've seen that done before. And we're gonna take our cinch and my latigo here, and we're gonna put it through the first rolly bar. So my cinch has two different areas. You're gonna put it through the top one. Now, if you only have one, you just put it in there. So you're gonna put it in the top. Make sure it's not twisted. Keep it nice and loose while you're doing it. You don't want to tighten it while you're doing it, especially if you have a cinchy horse. You want to, treat them with kindness. Don't haul off and tighten it. You're going to bring it up behind it through the ring. Again, make sure it's not twisted. And now I'm going to bring it through the bottom piece here. Make sure it's not twisted. Again, I'm keeping it nice and loose. And now I'm going to slowly tighten it here, so that I can go into the next piece to make sure my cinch is secured. Now that we've gotten to this point, we're gonna talk about how to actually secure your cinch to your saddle. And there's two different ways. There's the way where you're gonna put it in the hole. And again, you're never gonna tighten it all the way, especially if your horse is in cross ties. You're gonna just slowly tighten it. And for Stella, I'm gonna get to a point where maybe we'll get to the hole here. And you put it in the hole, push it in there, and then you pull this piece to lock it. This is one way to do it, and I put my extra up here so it's out of the way. The other way that you can do it is I take it out of the hole, because sometimes if you got like a chunky horse, you might be right in between two holes. So I will do it so that I will put it in my ring this way. So I put it to the left, bring it all the way through, over, and then under this way, and then I bring it down here and it locks it and secure. And this is actually my preferred way of tightening my saddles, because I feel like it's a little bit more secure and a little bit more accurate in tightness and keeping my saddle still. I'm gonna go over the knot one more time just so you can see it for accuracy. So you're gonna put it through the left in the ring, bring it across, under, grab it here, and bring it down so it's locked and secured here. The nice part about doing the knot is that you can tighten it, loosen it without actually having to undo the whole thing. So how you can tighten it or loosen it is, if I'm gonna tighten it, I'm just gonna pull this piece and I'm gonna pull it towards me and up like this. And then to tighten this piece, I'm gonna pull the left side and pull down to tighten it like that. Lastly, I just want to say that you never want to fully tighten your cinch in the cross ties or right away when you're saddling up your horse, because it can create crabbiness in your horse. And sometimes if your horse has ulcers, it can just be very uncomfortable for them. You want it snug, but not fully tightened. So once you get into the arena or right before you're about to get on, that's when you want to tighten your cinch fully. Don't over tighten it. The key is to knowing how tight your cinch is you want to be able to get your fingers in here, but not so that you can't get your fingers in here. And you want to be able to kind of pull out a little bit, but not so that you can see daylight when your horse is moving around. Are you falling asleep? Good night. Have a nice nap. Well, thank you for watching, you guys. Stella is ready for her afternoon nap because you can tell that she is just exhausted for being a perfect model for you guys. If you have any questions about cinching up your saddle, please feel free to comment. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.